This is not coming out very well. Well, there we go. Just plumb melted everything. And this might be why the fuel pump don't want to shut off.